Right.
Visit to UIA.
Yeah, hello. Let's go to UIA, guys.
NCC 2023. Ni carry team.
Okay.
Okay, carry team. Carry team for all around. Huh?
Ini dia masuk NCC.
Hello. Welcome to UIA.
Hey.
Hello, doctor.
Okay, so I will read the marks for both rounds. For team 103, the first round 133, the second round 125, and the total would be 258.
Weekend tak banyak.
Kalau Mahalah Ali, kalau Ali tak sure Dr. Nadia, tapi kalau Farul yang dia minta dia nak makan lagi ke? Jom lah kita cari tempat ada kopi, ada
Asal kau.
asam ke, ada ni kan? Lah kan? Cuba Google, sentuh
Kejap, ada lagi meja kot.
Hey, what's up, guys? We just completed NCC 2023 for all the 3 rounds for today. We made it to the semifinals.
Yeah.
And we're in UIA, dude! Yeah! International Islamic University Malaysia.
See the view from here.
Look at the view, man. Right next to the limestone mountain.
Yeah, I think some of our teammates are behind, but
Behind. Oh yeah. Let me. Oh, right behind there.
korang masuk video dia. It's YouTube tak?
Please click like. Okay.
We did it, UiTM. We made it to semifinals. Yeah, yeah. AIKOL, Ahmad Ibrahim Kulliyah of Laws. Yeah. Okay, let's go, man.
Let's go.
Wait, no, announce.
It will be announced later.
Boy.
So you can enjoy your food first, get your emotions a bit in a stable mode. Then we'll get to the announcement. We need everyone here to announce, so yeah, you need to eat first. We're afraid that some people may have a shock about it, so yeah, eat first, eh?
Eat first. They told us to eat first.
Mr. Freddy from Shutlin and Bog up to the stage to do the honors of announcing who our esteemed finalists will be. With all due respect, sir, please.
Team 1001. The second finalist is Team 1003. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you to
Crazy fire starting in my heart, reaches bringing out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead.
Hello.
Ambil Naila seorang.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Naila and I am the program manager for this year's Harun M National Client Consultation Competition. And for this year, IIUM will be currently hosting the national round. And actually, the winner for this year will be representing Malaysia to the international level at Netherlands next month. And I would say the main objective for this competition would be to nurture all legal students to possess the skills to become a good counsel in the future in the setting of an actual law office.
We're back in UIA. It's for the finals.
Yeah, so
We're gonna grab our certificates. I think UiTM got number 4. Number 4.
Number 4. Yeah.
We did our best and we were proud. We gave a shot.
And we managed to get to the semi-finals. That's the most
Semi-final.
important thing.
Yes.
And experience.
No, because this is one of the few competitions that, I mean, the law fraternity will as host because it's usually mooting and MUN. But now it's consultation.
Yeah, consultation.
None like the other. Ano na?
Should be. Should be.
Should be. We're back in UIA. We're heading to the hall for the finals. So these are the hallways of IIKOL. Place looks a little bit deserted. I think everyone's inside for the finals now, and we're just about to have our breakfast or something. So yeah, this is where we gathered, had our meals throughout the whole 2 days. Behind me is a beautiful garden. It's kind of bright, but I'll show you guys this part of the faculty leader. And we're having fried rice this morning.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng, man.
Yeah. It's tasty, nasi goreng.
Let's taste it out. Chef Juan, 5-star. Nasi goreng.
4-star.
4-star. 4-star it is. Let's try some. Finals.
I know.
We have some refreshments for you. Can we please know how should we address you?
My name is Gamat. That's Gamat. Gamat. And you can call me Pak Gamat.
Thank you, Pak Gamat. This is Ms. Shafika Haifa, and I'm Ayman Amani, and the two of us will be your counsels for today. And the reason why there's two of us is that should you fail to contact Ms. Haifa, you can always contact me instead. And if I am unavailable, you can always reach out to our office, and our secretary will let us know. Here are our business cards. You can reach out to us at either one of these numbers.
Pak Gamat, before we go any further, I want to verify your particulars first. May I have a look at your IC, please? Do you have anything that we can identify you as Pak Gamat?
I'm already here, right?
Can we have your IC number then?
It's 01 2 3 4 5.
How should we contact you?
Granted the privilege to experience it firsthand. Let's celebrate the outstanding days that we had and our incredible and amazing participants. They deserve all a round of applause.
It's a tradition among law school, and it was organized ever since 2008 actually. Memang competition ni memang diadakan dari dulu lagi. But last year, it was held in online mode due to COVID-19, and this year, I would say
to us legal practitioners, clients consultation is a very important aspect of our practice. In order for you to help clients to solve their legal problems.
So without further ado, I'd like to invite Ms. Ng Hui Huang from Shukin and Bob to do the honors in giving away the main prizes to the receivers. Please welcome. Okay, so now I'm opening the prize winners. Okay. So first, the best counsel for the Harun M. Hashim National Client Consultation Competition goes to Mr. Ayman Amani from Team 1001. Congratulations to Miss Ayman for your absolutely incredible achievement. Give her another round of applause, everyone. Team 1001 from IIUM. We invite the whole team, including instructors, to come down and receive the coveted champion prize for this year's edition. Give it another big round of applause. Let's give it up for Team 1003 from Universiti Islam Malaysia. An absolutely incredible achievement in this year's edition. Congratulations once again.
So that kind of concludes our adventure here in IIUM, AIKOL. I just finished performing my Zohar prayers in the Arsura out here. It's really cold. There's this one air conditioning, which is, I don't know what the word is, flowing out the cold air out really fast. But this is the Arsura. Yeah, this is the Arsura. And before I end this video, I think I want to show you guys around IIUM since the competition has already ended and that IIUM won the competition and that they will be flying to the Netherlands at the University of Maastricht, if I pronounce it correctly. So yeah, well done to IIUM for getting champion. Universiti Utara Malaysia got number 2, number 3, I don't know. But UiTM got number 4. We did really well. We fought and we did our very best. And I'm proud of our teammates, nonetheless. So yeah, we're gonna check out the entire building while we still have time. So let's go. So welcome to IIUM, folks. This is the second floor and it's behind a limestone mountain. This is one of the compounds that is here in IIUM. But let's go to the 4th floor. I think I'm gonna plan to go to the 4th floor to get a better view of this place. It's pretty awesome, to say the least. One of the few problems that I have with this faculty, it's complicated. Everything's complicated. All the toilets are like, it's a tunnel. It's an endless labyrinth. Imagine being in a maze. That's how I feel when I come to AIKOL, because the toilets are, you have to go enter into a long ass tunnel to reach the toilet. Sometimes the toilets are hidden. And you can't find the stairs. It's really hard to find the stairs unless I think it will take 100 years to find the stairs and toilets here. But everything looks pretty good, pretty nice. I'm on the 3rd floor. I'm actually thinking of how am I going to get to the other side of this building? And it's been ringing for 100 times already. But I've got to say, IIUM does have a very strong debating team. I saw that in every classes they were having debating practices. Almost all the classes I saw were occupied. Take a load of this. All the committees are cleaning up after the competition. You can see the towers of the mosque from here. It's pretty cool. They even have a law firm here. Where's the law firm? I'm trying to find a law firm. Yeah. Where there was a law firm, yeah. Yeah, here it is, the legal firm. I saw there were a lot of cubicles inside. So the mosque is right over there. And the Faculty of Law of AIKOL is right here. And then they have a stream or a river over here. But it smells very rancid. The smell is, believe me, it's something that you don't want to smell. You'll soon notice that all the faculties in UIA look the same. It doesn't have any difference. So it makes it a little bit, but there is a uniformity, but there's no variety. So that's why you can't tell the difference between the Faculty of Law and other faculties. I don't know which route I'm using right now, but I'm taking the route right next to this obnoxious river. Man, it smells real bad. I mean, if I were to be here at night, it's gonna be really spooky. It reminds me of that video game. Imagine having a video game concept of being in AIKOL, and then you have to find puzzles, solve puzzles, and find clues at night. And at the same time, there will be ghosts chasing you around this area. That's a totally smart, creative idea. I have to bring it to you, to the table. So thank you guys. That's probably all that we have for today in our IIUM journey. It's been a fun one. I'm at one of the buildings here. Behind me is the cafeteria, I suppose. So yeah, it's been real fun being here, participating in the competitions and all the efforts we've put in. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again.